Are you tired of feeling like an outsider among your peers? Do you find yourself constantly overlooked and disregarded in social situations? As men, we all crave respect and admiration from our peers, but for some, it can seem like an unattainable goal. But don't let this frustration consume you. There is a solution. In this video, we're going to reveal the 5 powerful strategies that will help you command respect and establish a strong reputation among your peers. These strategies have been proven to work, and by implementing them, you'll take control of your life and command respect in any situation. Imagine walking into a room and having people take notice of you. Imagine having the confidence to speak your mind and have people not only listen, but also respect your opinions. These are the kind of things that you can expect when you implement these strategies. As men, we all deserve respect and admiration. Don't let anyone make you feel otherwise. If you're ready to take control of your life, command respect, and establish a strong reputation, let's get started. Number 1. Show assertiveness. As men, we're often expected to be confident and assertive, and it's important to remember that assertiveness is not about being loud and aggressive. It's about being confident in your actions and decisions and standing up for yourself and what you believe in. You should command respect and build a strong reputation as a masculine man by speaking and acting with conviction and authority. Assertiveness is about being able to clearly communicate your needs and wants and standing firm in your convictions. When you're assertive, you're able to set boundaries and hold others accountable for their actions. This is important in both personal and professional relationships, as it allows you to establish trust and respect with others. Being assertive also helps you to avoid being taken advantage of or manipulated. It allows you to be in control of your own life and make decisions that align with your values and goals. As a result, you will be able to command respect and build a strong reputation as a masculine man. People will take you more seriously and be more likely to respect your opinions. It is a key characteristic of a strong, confident, and masculine man. It allows you to command respect, build healthy relationships, and achieve your goals. So, be assertive and take control of your life, and watch as people start to see you as a force to be reckoned with. Number 2. Speak intentionally. When it comes to commanding respect as a masculine man, the power of intentional and purposeful speech cannot be underestimated. By slowing down your speech and adding intentional pauses, you are conveying a sense of control and authority that others will take notice of. Additionally, choosing your words carefully and speaking with purpose will demonstrate that you are a man who knows exactly what he wants to say and isn't afraid to be assertive. But how do you develop this level of control and confidence in your speech? Start by shifting your language from asking questions to making statements. Instead of saying, "What do you think?" or "Can I do this?" try saying, "I am going to do this," or "This is what I believe." This simple change in language will make a significant difference in how you come across to others. It's not just about the words you speak, it's also about how you say them. Speak slowly and clearly, and practice maintaining control of your emotions and thoughts. This level of poise and control is incredibly attractive and will help you command respect from those around you. As a masculine man, it's essential to practice intentional and purposeful speech. Take the time to think about what you want to say before you say it, and practice speaking slowly and clearly. This will help you develop the confidence and control needed to command respect in any situation. Remember, as a man, the way you speak can be just as powerful as the words you choose to use. Use this to your advantage and command respect with every word you speak. Number 3. Demand attention with eye contact. As a masculine man, it's important to understand the power of eye contact. It's a subtle yet effective tool that can help you command respect and assert dominance in any situation. When you make strong and confident eye contact, you demonstrate that you are engaged, self-assured, and not afraid to hold someone's gaze. A great example of this is when you're in a business meeting. Maintaining strong and confident eye contact with your colleagues and clients shows that you are fully invested in the conversation and that you are confident in your ideas. This level of assertiveness will make people take you more seriously and be more likely to respect your opinion. Avoiding eye contact can be viewed as a sign of weakness, so it's crucial to make it a priority in your social interactions. Practice making strong and confident eye contact during your everyday interactions. Whether it's in a conversation with a friend or in a professional setting, it's important to understand the power of eye contact and make it a habit. It's a subtle yet powerful tool that will help you command respect and assert dominance in any situation. Remember, the way you make eye contact can speak volumes about the kind of man you are. So make sure to use it to your advantage. Number 4. Take up space and be confident. Your body language can affect the way others perceive you. One key aspect of confident body language is taking up space and being confident in your presence. When you stand tall with your shoulders back and chest out, you exude a sense of power and authority that commands respect. Similarly, sitting with your legs open conveys a message of confidence and self-assurance. Confidence is not only attractive but also essential for success in various aspects of life. Whether in relationships, career, or social interactions, people are more likely to trust and respect those who are self-assured. By taking up space and being confident, you not only appear more masculine and attractive, but also increase your chances of achieving your goals. As a man, it's important to embrace your masculinity and not be afraid to take up space and make yourself comfortable. It's a sign of confidence and power that commands respect and can open doors to many opportunities in life. So, next time you're in a meeting, a social gathering, or just out and about, remember to take up space, be confident, and make your presence known. Number 5. Show consistency. As a man, consistency is key when it comes to commanding respect. It is important to be dependable and reliable in our actions and decisions in order to gain the respect of others. Showing that we can be trusted is essential to building trust and respect with those in our lives. An important step to establishing trust and respect is to be consistent. We must make sure that our words and actions are reliable so that those around us can rely on us. When people know that they can count on us, they will be more likely to trust and respect us. We can also cultivate respect by being honest and trustworthy in our dealings. It is important to be honest and transparent in order to show that we can be trusted. We must be consistent in our actions and decisions. When we make a decision or take an action, we must follow through on it. This shows that we are dependable and can be trusted. It also demonstrates that we are consistent in our thinking and that we can be counted on. By being consistent, honest, and trustworthy, we can show others that we can be relied on and that they can trust us. This will lead to them having more respect for us, as they know that we are reliable and dependable. Consistency is an essential trait for any man to possess. In conclusion, commanding respect as a masculine man is not always easy. But by following these 5 strategies, you'll be able to build a strong reputation and command respect in any situation. Keep these tips in mind and you'll be able to walk into any room and command respect from the moment you step in. So go out there and show the world what you're made of. Make sure to subscribe for more videos on understanding and improving oneself. And as always, stay true to yourself and strive to be a high-value individual. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay motivated and never give up on your journey to self-improvement.